Hello, YouTube fam. How y'all doing? It's your Uncle Tim. This is Uncle Tim Rants and Reviews, a channel where I rant and I review. I'm your host, Uncle Tim. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a review. And the figure we're going to do is Chainsaw Man. Total anime. Dude, this shit looks streaming now on Crunchyroll. Chainsaw Man. Dude, this looks crazy as hell. Boy, you got chainsaw arms, an extra head, look like an extra mouth. Dude, this looks sick as hell. I found it at DD's discount for $14.99. And on the back, all the figures that you can actually pick up. Other than this one that I got, Chainsaw Man, I would love to get the one from My Hero Academia because I have them back there. I would just love to add them to it. But without further ado, and you notice when you open the boxes, they're kind of off a little bit. Now, again, before we go any further, I want to just show the box. What is that on his chest, though? But otherwise, amazing looking figure, amazing box. We have Chainsaw Man. Now, the things here actually have little guards over them. I guess to keep pieces from falling out. Let's try it. Yeah, he had one over the head too. Man. Yeah, we got pieces falling. Okay. Let's see what we ended up with. Man. So he has joints in his feet, which, you know, do this, which is cool. Oh, damn. Be careful with these. These kind of sharp. Damn, the head is sharp too. Man. You see how that came red out? So, man. And it's 3 prongs that you put it in back up at the top. Yeah, they realized it was a crime for me to take that out too, so they coming. So again, his arms move. Damn, how do you wipe your ass with these? Man. Okay, the legs, you can hear them pop. The foot don't move forward, it just moves from side to side. So it don't move forward at all. So it just twists. Do have pegs at the bottom for you could put it on a stand. So, okay. The arms do move. They go far back, but don't move them too far back because this part could break. The arms, they spin real good. The head spins around. Yeah, overall, fam, this is a good figure. The paint, you know, to me, what is this piece on the back right here? You know, I just figure, just looking at this, man, it says a hell of a lot. Chainsaw Man. So what did we drop? So I'm going to show you what we dropped. Okay, that was the figure. Extra arm. It's crazy. And it comes off at the, what you call it? Wow, that's different. So it comes off around like right here. Wow, pops right out. So the new one will pop. Let me see. Make sure I get that right. It's on the right hand. I'm not quite sure. But, you know. So I just put the other one back on because, man, these are kind of sharp. Playing with these damn things, they sharp as hell. So they cut a little bit. So like I said, there's an extra arm. Extra mouth. Let's see. Yeah, it goes this way. And the extra head with blood on it. I don't know if I need the one with blood on it. But, you know, just looking at this, man, this looks sick as hell by itself. This is a cool figure. Far as, like, the legs, you know, there are certain parts about this that look like they want to slide off or break. You know, like if you pull it a little too much. So be careful with the legs. Overall, man, this is a quality figure. It's a good figure for what, you know, you getting it for. Again, everything is articulated. If it would have had a thigh cut, where's the swivel right there, that would be nice. But overall, it's okay. Really sharp. The blades are really sharp. Ain't that funny? Man, overall good figure, man. Is it worth getting? $15, yes. But, you know, anything more, I would tell you to hold off for a second until you get everything, you know, situated. Trying to figure what would I put him at, but, you know, he's well worth it, man. Dude, good deal, though. That's just my point. You know, the sculpt is fantastic. The colors, you know, are on point. Looks just like the anime. The details, man, even the details with the accessories are just fucking crazy. And, you know, the sculpt is clean. There's no color bleed. There's no nothing. This is a fantastic figure. Overall, it gets a 10 in my opinion. A 10. Yeah, from Uncle Tim. It gets a 10. But to later, thank you for watching. Peace out.